Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Mahaney, and I'm here today to answer some questions about digestive tract problems in dogs.
What are some tips on maintaining a healthy digestive system?
One of my top tips on how you can help your dog maintain a healthy digestive tract is to help to keep their food fairly consistent on a day-to-day basis. In my practice, which is a holistic veterinary practice, I strive to get my canine patients eating foods that are very much like those we people would eat ourselves. Foods that are whole food based, foods that are cooked, foods that contain real vegetables, fruit, vitamins, minerals, grains, things like that, not processed foods such as kibble or most canned foods. So those dogs that actually are eating whole food based diets tend to have healthier digestive tracts as compared to dogs that eat highly processed diets, especially diets that are primarily kibble based. So consistency is important too. If you are constantly giving your pet different foods, dry food, canned food, moist food, frozen food, dehydrated food, there could be some changes in how it comes out the other end, or there could be vomiting. So in general, once you settle on a type of food that works for your pet, try to stick with that fairly consistently. You might occasionally change up the formula. You could choose a different protein source, beef, chicken, turkey, fish, vegetarian, whatever your preference is. But try to keep the actual format of the food fairly consistent, and definitely consult with your veterinarian about what's the most appropriate means by which you should be feeding your pet.
What are some of the common causes of diarrhea and vomiting in dogs?
So in my experience as a veterinarian, the most common reason why dogs will present for vomiting or diarrhea is that they have eaten something that they shouldn't. In veterinary medicine, we call this dietary indiscretion. Basically, your dog has a lot of freedom in the world. It could potentially eat things inside or outside your home. When he does so, it could potentially cause digestive upset such as vomit, diarrhea, decreased appetite, or there could even be internal organ problems such as pancreatitis, kidney disease, or liver disease. In general, we pet owners want to do our best to try to prevent episodes of dietary indiscretion. This means that you want to closely observe your dog, keep everything lifted up off the ground so that your pet doesn't have access to it. But certainly it's kind of inevitable that at some point your dog would eat something that he shouldn't and could develop vomiting or diarrhea. So you as a pet owner just want to try to be as aware as possible of what your pet is doing on a day-to-day basis and hopefully help to prevent these episodes of dietary indiscretion so that your pet will stay healthy and happy for long term.
Can a daily multivitamin promote digestive balance?
A daily multivitamin could be beneficial to help a pet with his digestive tract health. Because like all parts of the body, we need nutrients that we absorb from our food, from our gut, in order for all our cells to function. So I commonly see dogs have digestive problems, and sometimes we even do a little deeper investigation and determine that they may have a deficiency in a substance like vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is very important for our digestive health, our immune system health, really for our whole body health. And if your dog has a low B12 as a result of chronic inflammation in the intestines, eating things that he shouldn't, infections with parasites or bacteria or viruses, or sometimes even diseases like cancer, all those can potentially prevent your pet from properly absorbing nutrients. So if you were to include a multivitamin supplement that's rich in B vitamins, that can potentially improve your dog's overall health and their digestive tract health.